We've powered subscriptions for Shopify stores since 2014. For a long time, riding the subscription wave almost guaranteed you success. We've helped over 100,000 Shopify brands ride it. Now, over the past few years, we've noticed more and more brands struggling to get and keep subscribers. Subscribers are becoming tired of subscriptions, and when they cancel one, they rage cancel a dozen others. The thing is though, it's not that they don't want your product, they just don't want a subscription. Now, we saw this problem and we knew there had to be a better way. And this was the genesis of rePete. rePete is the world's first smart and friendly AI reorder agent. rePete gets to know each of your customers individually, all of their shopping habits, and perfectly recommends a refill at the exact right time. Think of rePete as a friendly barista that knows exactly how you take your coffee and makes you feel good each time you buy one. rePete analyzes thousands of data points across your store, your order history, all your customers' purchase behavior and patterns, and not just on your store, everywhere they shop. Because of this, rePete can send a friendly nudge to your customers at exactly the right time for an easy one-click reorder. rePete is not an SMS or email tool. It's unlike anything you've ever seen. Think of rePete as a salesperson for your reorders. rePete's goal is to get more of your one-time customers to reorder, more of your repeat customers to reorder more often, and to get them all to have larger checkouts when they do. If rePete predicts a customer might be due for a refill, it can nudge them when they land on your site. It can trigger a browser push notification, app notifications, and of course, email and SMS. And in the near future, rePete will be able to use even more touch points and channels as well. rePete is as powerful as you allow it to be. You can offer exclusive reorder discounts and even tier them. For example, rePete can give 5% off to a customer when they reorder once or twice, and then 10% on the third reorder, and so on, encouraging the customer to keep reordering. And rePete is built to know if when a customer orders one product, their refill might actually be a different product. So don't worry, rePete won't nudge your customers to reorder a coffee maker every month. If a customer orders something that's meant to be an initial purchase, like a coffee maker or a sample size, it'll offer the follow-on item as the reorder, like more coffee or now the full size. We've had rePete in closed beta testing for about 6 months, with roughly 50 Shopify brands fully testing it, brands of all sizes in every different vertical. And the results we've seen have been absolutely incredible. Every single store saw an increase in reorders, some over 20%. And rePete is just getting smarter every day, so this will only continue to go up. And finally, since we see rePete as a reorder salesperson, we decided to make it 100% free. You only pay if rePete makes you money. If it doesn't make sales, you don't pay a thing. It's that simple. None of these 5 cents per SMS, $1,000 per every 10,000 contacts in your email list, none of that. You only pay if it actually makes you money. We don't win unless you win. And after 6 months of testing with our group of 50 Shopify brands, we've learned one thing. You are going to win. The only question is how big that revenue increase will be.